This model features a simple and fast folding system that makes it easy to transport. To lock its blade, there is a reliable locking system that does not give way against resistant materials, allowing you to work safely. Made of aluminum with a stainless steel blade, it has a good design quality. The trapezoidal blade ensures a clean cut even on thick materials. However, it seemed a bit less precise than other models we tested for meticulous work. This utility knife is compatible with most standard-sized blades, and during our tests, we easily replaced the blade thanks to the quick release button. Regarding handling, its size is ideal in our opinion. And although its aluminum handle results in an average weight of 132 grams, it benefits from an ergonomic shape and a good grip to hold it well. As for accessories, you have a carrying case, a pocket clip to attach it to a garment, and a blade guard for safe transport and to keep the knife sharp after use. In short, compatible with most materials, this solid and secure utility knife stands out for its ease of transport and use, its excellent design quality, and its good sharpness, which allows for tackling more difficult tasks.